What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update, man. It's a beautiful day out here. It's actually pretty cloudy. What's up, man? Pretty cloudy right now, but man, we're trying to get it in before the sun come out because it's supposed to be like 80 something degrees. Well, 91 today or something like that, man. So that being said, let's get right into it. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's see what they got up here today, man. Alrighty, we're not feeling that. Not feeling that. What is this? A 2002 Acura 3.2 CL. Runs and drive. Looks like it's 175,000 miles. It is missing a grill up front. Bumper is hanging a little bit. Probably lift this joint in. Doesn't look too tampered with. Looks like no oil in it. Oops. Check out the inside really quick. Got some tan leather interior. It is pretty whipped in here. But I mean, with some elbow grease, you may be able to bring it back to life. It is missing a radio up there. And it does have the sunroof, so that might be a plus. What's up, man? Body's in okay condition. Not the best, but definitely not the worst. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, I really don't want the Cadillac Seville, man. 2004 Cadillac Seville, 149,000 miles. Not my flavor at all. Also don't want the Dodge. I believe this is like... Don't want the Dodge Stratus with 175,000 miles. I'm cool on that one. The 03 Honda Civic does seem pretty fair, though. It does have 250,000 miles, though, unfortunately. But, I mean, it is a Honda, so who knows? Check it out. Under the hood, it looks like this thing ain't been really driven in forever. But it does say it does run and drive. You do got some tequila kickage right up on the side here. You can probably pull the fender out and then just get this door fixed. I'm not sure. We can see if the airbags is out. Yeah, that door is gonna hit every time. Inside doesn't look that bad, honestly. You could put some love into this thing and get it really, really clean. So this one might be pretty fair. It does have the sunroof and does seem pretty legit. Nothing too crazy though. Does have a bunch of leaves and stuff everywhere, so that tells me it's been sitting under a tree a while. No big deal though. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 2012 Ford Fusion here. Looks like 95,000 miles. Definitely the best out of the bunch today. Pretty decent tires on that joint. Looks pretty good. Looks like they might have ran into something or something. I don't know. But yeah, it doesn't look tampered with. It looks like you're missing an engine cover up front. Does look like it has antifreeze and everything up there. No big deal. It is freaking heavy as heck. 95,000 miles. Ford Fusion. You do have the sunroof up there. You take a look at the inside. We do have some decent black leather. Actually looks really good. You can take a look. In the back, it actually smells like really good leather as well. Has a nice little interface and everything, so that's a plus. Take a walk around. Really nice beefed up little car. No big deal. And it is the Sport Edition, so you'll see on the wheels it does have the Sport emblem. So this one may be worth a little more. I don't know what you guys think about it, man. Let me know in the comments below. This one is probably the best one we've seen in a while. Alrighty, guys, we got a 99 Honda Accord here. Looks like 148,000 miles. Runs and drives. Does seem pretty fair. However, the paint is faded a little bit. The headlights could use some restoration. However, we do have all four matching hubcaps. Look like we can take a quick look under the hood really quick. Feel like this is a big empty space right here, but I don't know, maybe that's just me. A small, very small battery. I don't think that's the battery for this. But definitely not the battery for this actually. But 148,000 miles. It does run and drive. It's a 99. Interior is cloth, so it is pretty worn. You do got dirty seats in the back, and like leaves and stuff over there. This thing, either the windows has been rolled down for a while because it's like super dusty in the inside, so we're gonna have to get that thing steam clean. Paint is fading, so I don't know. Not that bad, but if it runs and drives, which we won't know, I know it might be something good for you. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. We don't want the 06 Maxima with a bad trans. I'm actually good on that. This Impala's been here for like 3 weeks. We already seen this thing. I'm actually good on it. This one says a bad alternator. What is it, a 08? This one might actually be pretty decent. It's a 08 Honda Accent. Looks like 136,000 miles. And not that bad. You're missing some stuff on the bottom, of course, like a whole like little piece back there. No big deal. It doesn't really look to be tampered with. However, the engine cover is really greased up, so it might have like some issues. I'm not really sure. This fender is pretty whipped. We're gonna need all 4 hubcaps because none of them are the same. They're all either black or like different. And take a quick look at the inside of this car, which is really just filthy. Like they never even clean this car, so the seats are like starting to look like leather. So that's gonna be a task there. You got some tequila kickage back here. Got a little woo-wham right there. Possibly could be fixed, but I don't know what you guys think it's worth. I don't really think it's that worth that much, but then again, you know, it is what it is. Your guess is as good as mine. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. We don't want the 07 Caliber with a bad trans. We're actually good on that one. This one either has a bad motor and or like no spark. This one has a bad motor, and we didn't want it anyway. Wow. Bad motor. The Buick LeSabre. What is it, a 01 with 153,000 miles? Looks all right. Actually, never mind. Because the back of this thing is super whipped, so we don't want nothing. We got to really put some like body work into. We want the best bang for our buck. Yeah, they don't really have much up here today, guys. They got the 2 limos back here again. And you guys seen these a few times, so I'm pretty sure this door is going to be locked on this one. And we already seen the inside of the white limousine, so that's that. I'll just show you for those who haven't seen it really quick. That's what the inside of the white one looks like, and the black one is pretty much identical, but the door is going to be locked. But all in all, it seems pretty legit. This one sold at the auction like a couple auctions ago for maybe like, I want to say like $1,200 or something like that. Maybe like $1,200, I believe. But we got like a little police car, a little Crown Vic. Cool on that. I don't really got a lot of options here today, y'all, but it is what it is. It is what it is. But this one runs and drives. What is this? A 05 Hyundai Santa Fe, 155,000 miles. This one actually has some good paint job on it. All of the ones we see never have a good paint job on it, but underneath, looks like they did a lot of messing around under here. But the back doesn't look that bad. Seats actually don't look that bad either. If you can get underneath here figured out, you'll be good to go. Excuse me. See, that's what I was talking about, that paint fade. This exactly right here. Let's see. I knew it. I'm like, this car is too clean. Yeah, the paint that they use on these cars really sucks, so. every like Santa Fe you see is gonna have this horrible like paint fading issue. But that's something to look at. You got a little Beamer here, a little truck. What is this, a 04 X3 BMW 04 X3. Doesn't look tampered with. Looks like you might be missing a battery. I don't know. Headlights could use some restoration. No big deal. 212,000 miles though. Has beige interior, leather. No big deal. Has the huge sunroof, which is cool. I can dig that sunroof. I like that a lot. But at 200 something miles, I think this Beamer truck is gonna be out of commission, if not out of commission already. They say it runs and drives. They didn't say, you know, if it has the blown head gasket or not. But that's that. Got a rod noise on this one. This is an 08 Mazda. I think it's like a CX or something like that. Yeah, it's an 08 Mazda CX-7. Inside looks all right, but it does have a rod noise, whatever that means. Suspension may be bad. And or the motor. So that's gonna be a no-go, man. We can't take that chance. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're wondering what any of these cars are going for, man, be sure to tune in tomorrow, as that video will be out first thing in the morning. What was you guys' favorite car today, man? Let me know in the comments below. Mine is, of course, gonna be the Ford Fusion with like 95,000 miles. You know, I doubt I'll get that, but just because the online stuff, it sells for a lot more than what it normally would in person. But it is what it is at the end of the day. I'm also looking at some stuff on Copart today that goes on auction today as well. So hopefully we'll grab something today, man. Tired of just sitting around, but it looks like they're gonna be opening up the auction pretty soon. Hold up. It looks like they're getting ready to open up the auction pretty soon. You getting ready to open it up or what, man?
What do you mean, open up?
You got some X's around 6 feet apart, man.
We've got some plans in place.
Okay, bet.
By next week, we'll have the open up to.
Okay.
Full-blown actual auction. Of course,
man.
we gotta follow the
yeah, no, for sure.
But yeah.
Yeah, that works though. I like that, man.
We're gonna try.
Yeah, no, that's cool, man.
I plan on it.
Yeah, I hope it work out, man. I hope it work out. It was good seeing you though, bro.
No problem.
All right, see ya. So you guys have heard it there first, man. We're preparing to open back up the auctions here pretty soon, man. So I'm ready to get back in this, because I know you guys are ready to get back in this. So I'm gonna bring you every piece of content I possibly can, man. We're gonna see if we can get the other auctions to follow suit. With that being said, man, tune in to the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.